Hey everybody, this is Alex, and today I'll be taking a look at the Sindoh 3dWOX dp200 3D printer. This video is not sponsored by Sindoh, however they were nice to send me the dp200 for review. On Amazon, the printer goes for around $1,300, which puts it around the price range of the MakerBot Replicator Mini Plus and the Dremel 3D40 Idea Builder. The printer comes included with a scraper, a USB 1.0 to 2.0 cord, a filament cartridge, 8GB flash drive, and a Ethernet cord accessory for North American users. The printer is sturdy and is made out of a metal frame and plastic coverings. One of the printer's main selling points is the easy-to-use filament loading system. The spools are held in a chipped, refillable cartridge. This allows the machine to tell what material and color is in the printer and how much of it is left. The printer also includes a heated build plate that works with PLA prints. However, this is necessary if you plan on printing in ABS. The printer also includes a 5-inch touchscreen display on top that's used to navigate through the menus. Another selling point is the built-in webcam that allows you to check on your prints, though I haven't tried that out yet. Two of my favorite features are the UI and the filament loading system. The UI is easy to understand and has four main parts for its submenus. The four main menus are Print, Cartridge, Settings, and Info. The cartridge menu is used to load, unload, and unlock the filament cartridge. The Info menu gives you information about the printer itself. The Settings menu gives you settings ranging from leveling the bed, adjusting the Z offset, and updating the printer software. One thing to mention is that the printer wouldn't connect to my Wi-Fi. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. However, the included USB works just fine for me for starting prints. The print menu allows you to start prints over Wi-Fi, wired connection, or USB. The UI also makes it difficult for the user to mess something up, which is good for people new to 3D printing. The filament system makes tangling the spool almost impossible and makes loading and unloading really easy. One thing I've noticed is that this printer prints slower compared to the other printers I've used. However, the prints come out a lot better and higher quality. One thing I made was this Julius Caesar pencil holder. I printed this on normal settings in the slicing software and didn't add any supports. The print turned out phenomenal. However, there was some stringing under the nose and chin, which could have been prevented if I used supports. The heated build plate keeps the prints on the bed, and they stick on the bed really well. Removing the prints can be a bit risky without rafts because of part chipping. However, the slicer automatically adds rafts to all prints. When you first boot up the slicing software, it's set to easy mode. The software also has an advanced mode that gives you a lot more options. The easy mode has four main print settings: slow, medium, silent, and fast. The slow settings produce high quality prints. The silent and medium settings produce the same normal quality prints. However, silent mode is the quietest out of the four modes, and fast setting produces low quality prints. I like how the easy mode gives users different options for the print quality and speed. Each mode can be used for different printing needs. In my opinion, this is a great machine for beginners. The UI makes it hard for people to make mistakes, and the filament loading system makes swapping colors easy. However, you are limited in what colors and materials you can use. Currently now you can only use PLA and ABS. However, I hope Sindoh works on creating new chips and presets for different materials like wood and flexible filament. Another thing that might drive customers away is the price. However, compared to other similarly priced printers, you get your money's worth with all the features, the build quality, and print quality. However, all that aside, I really recommend getting this printer. Thank you for watching my review. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow and gives me the motivation to make more content for you. Also, please click the bell icon so you can get notified of all my recent posts. I want to take this time to thank Sindoh, who provided me with this printer to review, and all the other companies I contacted.